With $4.6 billion under management, Norwest Equity Partners is Minnesota's largest private equity firm, and John Lindahl, as managing general partner, is arguably Minnesota's most influential private investor. Norwest Equity Partners currently has controlling interest in 18 companies with revenues ranging from $50 million to $250 million. During Lindahl's 26-year career with the company, it has invested in and sold many more. Lindahl's origins were modest, but he had the firm support of his father, who offered to pay for John's tuition at the University of Minnesota only if John agreed not to go into the family tire rehabbing business, as he wanted better things for me, Lindahl explains. He began his career as a commercial lender at Northwestern National Bank of Minneapolis. During 16 years in commercial lending, he learned valuable lessons in leverage lending, especially while serving as investor Irwin Jacobs' banker in the 70s and 80s. Irwin showed me a different perspective on business and had an impact on the way I looked at opportunities and how to take risks, Lindahl said. He learned to look at the cash flow a borrower could generate, not simply its assets. That could lead to a better way of valuing a business, which Lindahl put to work after his next career move. In 1984, Norwest Venture Capital decided to expand into later stage and management buyout investments. It hired Lindahl to lead the creation of Norwest Equity Partners, which formed a $200 million investment fund in 1989, then the largest ever raised in Minnesota. Subsequent funds grew even larger, $300 million in 1994, $350 million in 1997, $800 million in 1999, and then NEP9, a $1.2 billion fund that closed in September of 2008. Lindahl and Norwest Equity have provided the money and managerial muscle behind many of the Midwest business successes. In 1996, they invested millions to help launch the Buca di Beppo restaurant chain. After 3 rounds of financing, the company went public in 1999, and Norwest Equity nearly doubled its investment. Norwest Equity became the first institutional partner of Lifetime Fitness, guiding Lifetime's strategic development, the development of its management team, and the construction of 60 U.S. locations. In 2006, after Time Life's public stock offering, Norwest Equity recovered 9 times its investment. Subsequent investments have included the acquisition of a manufacturer of construction equipment, Amcom Software, and Rosetta Stone, the largest language instruction company. NEP expanded Rosetta Stone's revenues from $40 million to $240 million before taking it public last year. Lindahl credits colleagues John Whaley and Tim DeVries for much of Norwest Equity's success. Our goal, he says, is to buy good, strong-performing businesses across a diverse group of industries and then be a strong, aggressive board member by helping our CEOs develop strategies and grow their businesses.